Blake, are you helping mommy? Yeah? Tell me about your day, Blake. Did you go to the doctor today? I don't want to remind you of that, but I'm sure you handled it like a champ. Yeah? I think you're camera shy. Blake, are you saying hi? My name is Blake. You flexing your vocal cords? It sounds like you're saying hi. Hi. Here comes Charlie Pie. You're talkative tonight. Hey. Ah. Now you're a ham. You're hamming it up. Say hi to your fans. Say hi to your YouTube public. Say hi to the grandmas. How about the grandpas? Bye-bye. Wait, bye-bye.